If you're looking to lose belly fat from the comfort of your home, this video is for you. Today, we'll share 7 simple exercises that can help you burn belly fat and achieve a flat stomach in just 1 month. One of these exercises is not only easy to do, but also surprisingly effective. It's often overlooked, but it's a hidden gem for anyone wanting to shed belly fat. Want to know what it is? Stay tuned until the end to find out. Let's dive in. Number 1. Plank. The plank is a powerhouse move for building core strength. Your core includes the abdominal muscles, lower back, obliques, and muscles around your pelvis, all working together to stabilize your body and support posture and balance. During a plank, these muscles are activated to maintain a straight posture. You hold your body in a straight line, supported by your forearms or hands and toes, while engaging your core to prevent any sagging. Planking strengthens your core over time, improving posture and overall fitness. It also makes it easier to perform fat-burning exercises. This move targets not only the rectus abdominis, the muscles that form the six-pack, but also deeper muscles like the transverse abdominis, which acts like a corset to pull in your stomach and tighten your waistline. Though planking alone isn't a high-calorie burning exercise, it supports fat loss when paired with cardiovascular activity, strength training, and a balanced diet. By engaging multiple muscle groups, it boosts muscle mass and increases your resting metabolic rate, which helps your body burn more calories even while at rest, key for shedding fat and achieving a flatter stomach. How to perform a plank correctly? Start by lying on your elbows, ensuring they are directly beneath your shoulders at a 90-degree angle. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your legs straight and engage your core. Hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds, completing 3 sets. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a fantastic core strengthening exercise that engages your abdominal muscles throughout the movement. They require your core to stabilize your body, preventing your hips from sagging or arching. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, making it an effective way to enhance core strength. Building these muscles helps flatten the stomach and improve posture. Mountain climbers also support fat loss by being a high-intensity, full-body workout that increases your heart rate, burns calories, and boosts metabolism both during and after exercise. By helping to reduce belly fat, they reveal toned muscles hidden underneath. In addition to engaging the core, mountain climbers work your shoulders, arms, and legs, building muscle mass, which in turn accelerates calorie burn even at rest. Strengthening your core with this exercise improves stability, balance, and posture, further reducing the appearance of a protruding belly. How to perform mountain climbers correctly? Start in a plank position with your arms extended and core engaged. Quickly bring one knee toward your chest, then return it to the starting position while simultaneously drawing the opposite knee in. Perform for 20 to 40 seconds, completing 3 sets. Number 3. High knee march. The high knee march is an effective exercise for achieving a flat stomach as it promotes fat loss. This aerobic movement elevates your heart rate and burns calories, helping to create a calorie deficit, which is essential for reducing body fat. By lifting your knees high while marching in place, you activate major muscle groups like the legs, glutes, and core, boosting energy expenditure and accelerating fat loss. Regularly incorporating high knee marches can help uncover toned muscles hidden beneath abdominal fat. Additionally, it strengthens the core by engaging muscles such as the rectus abdominis and hip flexors. Like leg raises or mountain climbers, high knee marches offer an efficient way to tone the stomach without relying on isolated exercises like crunches. As your posture improves, your core strength increases, pulling in the stomach muscles. How to perform high knee marches. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lift one knee as high as possible toward your chest while keeping your torso upright. At the same time, raise the opposite arm. Lower your knee and arm back to the starting position, then immediately lift the opposite knee and arm in sync. Perform 3 sets of 20-40 seconds each. Number 4. Ab crunches. Ab crunches are highly effective for directly targeting the core muscles, especially the rectus abdominis. By lifting the upper body toward the knees, this exercise engages the core muscles, strengthening and toning them, which leads to a firmer, flatter stomach. Crunches also work the obliques and transverse abdominis, which helps stabilize the core, improve posture, and enhance the overall appearance of the stomach. The repeated motion of crunches causes small tears in the muscle fibers, which repair and grow stronger, resulting in greater muscle definition over time. However, achieving a flat stomach requires fat loss, and crunches alone won't burn enough fat. They shape the muscles, making them visible once the fat is reduced. Additionally, crunches help improve posture and core stability. Poor posture can contribute to a protruding belly, even with low body fat. Strengthening the core with crunches corrects posture, pulls in the abdominal muscles, and supports the lower back. How to perform ab crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Engage your abs and gently lift your upper body about 10 to 15 km, rounding your back as you move toward your knees. Hold this position for 1-2 seconds before slowly lowering yourself back down. Perform 3 sets of 15-20 reps. Number 5. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are highly effective because they engage multiple core muscle groups at once. This exercise targets not just the rectus abdominis, but also the obliques and transverse abdominis. As you curl your upper body and twist toward your extended leg, the rectus abdominis and obliques work to stabilize and rotate the torso. The transverse abdominis, the deepest core muscle, helps maintain balance and stabilize the spine. This multi-muscle activation makes bicycle crunches a more comprehensive core workout than traditional crunches. In addition, they improve posture and core stability. A strong core supports proper spine alignment, which is vital for good posture and reducing a protruding stomach. With better posture, the abdominal muscles are drawn in, creating a flatter appearance in the stomach. How to do bicycle crunches correctly. Lie on your back with your hands lightly supporting your head and knees, bent at a 90 angle. Lift your upper body off the ground, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg just above the floor. Twist your torso and bend the opposite knee to switch sides. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. Number 6. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks help flatten the stomach, mainly by burning calories. As a high-intensity, full-body exercise, they raise your heart rate and increase energy expenditure, which leads to a calorie deficit key for fat loss. Adding jumping jacks to your routine boosts daily calorie burn, aids in fat loss, and makes abdominal muscles more visible. Although primarily a cardiovascular exercise, jumping jacks also engage the core. Maintaining proper posture while jumping and landing activates the rectus abdominis, obliques, and transverse abdominis, which helps tone and strengthen the midsection. Additionally, they enhance posture and core strength, supporting spinal alignment and reducing the appearance of a protruding stomach. How to do jumping jacks correctly. Stand upright, then jump while spreading your legs wider than shoulder width apart and raising your arms above your head. Ensure your arms and legs move in unison. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Perform 3 sets, lasting 40 to 60 seconds each. Number 7. Jumping rope. Jumping rope elevates your heart rate and increases overall energy expenditure, which is crucial for creating a calorie deficit and promoting fat loss. Reducing body fat is essential for revealing abdominal muscles, and jumping rope helps burn more calories each day, contributing to a flatter stomach. Additionally, it strengthens and tones the core. Regular jumping rope sessions improve core strength, leading to a more defined midsection. The exercise also boosts cardiovascular health, endurance, and metabolism, allowing the body to burn more calories even at rest. This metabolic boost aids in fat loss, including in the abdominal area, supporting the pursuit of a flatter stomach. How to jump rope correctly. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Keep an upright posture and hold the rope handles with a relaxed grip. Jump just high enough to clear the rope, landing on the balls of your feet with your knees slightly bent. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds. By the way, friends, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Links are in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.